What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be collabing with Fender KFC, and just to know you, these are my friends. Say hi. And today we're just gonna play a few games, and that's Damien's cousin, and I'm just recording that, so you're gonna see footage. I'm just editing this right now, and that's just one of Damien's cousin. But anyways, let's just get started with the collab. Just gotta wait. Bit. There we go. So we're gonna join the first game, blocks and props. Okay. So for reasons, you have to move your camera like full screen, please, so that we can see me play. And we're gonna see my player thing. Okay. See ya after something. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna try to do this. So it's 1-1 right now. Okay, Damien joined. Nice. Oh, and that's just somebody my friend and the other KC offender. No, Fender KFC, yeah. Yeah, Damon was in his videos, so now he's in my videos. But yeah, we're gonna start the round. Let's see. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Wait, I thought I got the, oh, never mind. All right, let's see if he's gonna do it. Let's see if he's gonna beat me. Yeah. He might actually beat me, bro. Like, bro, okay, let's just see if I can win. Okay. Oh, no! You won! No, I couldn't want to win, so let's see if I want to get. Let's go! Okay, okay, okay. Alright, what should I do? Let's do it! Um... Someone... Freddy. Yeah. Freddy. Freddy. Alright, let's read angle. Let's go. Put the angle there. Alright, this should be good. Alright. No, it didn't work. Okay, let's put it a little bit up. Oh, take that off. Alright, let's go. Let's go. No! Okay. This could take a while. Put it more up. Yep. I gotta put it like at least 20 or something. I don't know. But I'll just test it again. They're all the way up there. Keep on forgetting that, bro. Okay, now do it. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, okay, we're doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Okay, let me just click everywhere. Okay, we got that. Okay. Okay. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, we gotta get more down. Actually, no, let's just try to get up. Okay, let's go. I'm just doing whatever as I click it. That thing might fall off. We're just clicking whatever I want. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, no, I thought it would kill Damien. Oh, man. Oh, it did. Let's just, put the angle lower. Yeah, I'll put the angle lower. 11? No? Let's try to put it up. Nah, you can't do that. Alright, I usually just put it like in an angle. Time is barely. I have enough time, so, yeah. I have enough time. How's an working? Whatever. Oh. Okay. Let's go do the thing. Sorry if I'm talking too much. I just... Yeah, I like talking. It's fun. It's fun. Like, you guys talk a lot. Don't even lie. Great. Okay, so... This is taking a while. Get him. Well, this is hard, okay? I think I'm just gonna put it like that. Either... Like, 19 or 20, like I just trained that. Alright. Oh. Okay, it got that, but I didn't get the person inside. Why did I play like this? Yeah. Yeah. I'm good at playing like that. I like playing like that, it's fun. Oh, nice, you win! Oh my gosh! Ah! No! No, 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 no! No! Okay. Just so good. Alright, also the minion is the one that's Fender KFC. Okay, see you later. Okay, so far I'm barely winning, but I think I might win. Yeah, okay. Oh no, I was about to click the button. No! No! Okay, sorry for that noise. Okay, let's just see how my gameplay goes for now.
Okay, so let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, what's he gonna throw? Throw already! Just throw. Oh my god, it's taking so long. It's taking so long. When will he hit? When will he hit? He needs to hit right now. Larry, this is taking so long. Ah. When will he go? Oh, my brother died. Oh no. Okay. What? What? I'm confused. What just happened? Nah. Anyways. Ooh yeah. Okay. When was he gonna throw anything? Okay. Wait, where's Damon?
Where's Damien? Yeah, where's Damien? But I think I might know where he is. He's in the hole. Oh, never mind. Okay. Yeah, he's in the hole there. Let's see if we can go there. Oh, I did it. Okay. Yeah. Let's go here. Okay. No. Oh my gosh, you hit me with the Freddy Fazbear. Or. Sorry for doing that. Oh, wait, who died? Who died? Oh, strange. Stranger things. Okay. Oh my god, it takes so long. It takes a lot to hit us. Yeah. Oh! Why? Just why? Oh, it's only Damien that's alive. It's only Damien that's alive. Oh my gosh! Bro's doing that little tiny hole. No! No! Alright, let's see next round. Let's go, we got the thing, let's get the thing. Okay, we obviously have to get Freddy Fazbear. Okay, I'm doing pretty bad right now. Oh, it's 4? Oh yeah, my brother. Yeah. Oh my god, it's taking too long to get. Alright, we're getting lower. Okay, I hate something, but it didn't do nothing. Okay. Oh, wait, I think we're doing a different game. Yeah. Well, we're gonna do a different game right now, because we're doing 2 games each collab. We're gonna do another collab. So, yeah, look at my funny looking avatars. Okay, let's join some. Let's join Offender KFC. Oh, we gotta join Offender KFC. Oh, guys, join Offender KFC. This ticket song. Let's see if people joined. Okay, hold up. Yo. Okay, let's see if people join now. Okay, yeah, Damien joined. Okay, yeah. Stiff. Okay, so, let's fight them. Let's fight them. Take that. Alright, let's go. We're gonna fight these. We're gonna open down. Get them! Oh, Damien left. I don't know why. Alright, let's just do a second round. Let's do a second round or something. Let's do a second round. Let's do a second round. Okay, bye guys. This is the end of the video. Bye guys.